Step into the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power steering, cruise control, leather seats, power windows, power door locks, adjustable steering wheel, climate control, heated seats, keyless entry and leather steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.